Hi, my name's Erin McDermott, and I am Director of Optical Engineering at SpireStarter.com, and I am one odd engineer. In fact, what I do is so odd that most of my clients didn't even know it was a thing before they met me. And what do? Optical engineering. Now there's lots of different types of things you can do with optical engineering, and just because you master one doesn't mean you know another one. So let me explain the types of things that I've worked on. Before SpireStarter, I was a corporate optical engineer, and I worked in lots of different companies around the world. I started out with developing manufacturing processes using high-powered lasers on things like spark plugs and pistons and rotors. After that, I was working on industrial sensors and machine vision technology. After that, I engineered exterior automotive illumination. What does that mean? It's just headlamps and tail lamps and turn signals for cars like Escalade and Corvette. After that, I moved into general luminaire design. Okay, so what's that fancy term? It just means lamps. It just means lighting. Downlights that are stuck in your ceiling, or track lighting in your kitchen, or wall washes, stuff in stores and in your home. So while I have a very diverse background of things that I've worked on, I kind of got into a niche of illumination. And illumination goes under the non-imaging optics segment. After that, working in my own company at SpireStarter.com, I got even further down a rabbit hole where I was doing weird lit effects on consumer electronics. So if some startup came to me, something like this, I wanted it to light up, I'd be like, okay, well that's typical. Any kind of consumer electronics stuff. Like, I didn't design this and I didn't design this, but I'm just showing you examples, okay? So I've worked on a lot of these types of projects that are lit effects for consumer electronics. Maybe they have light pipes, maybe they have indirect reflectors, maybe they have lensing, maybe some other combination of things to get the most even, best color mixed light out of some small cavity. All these things, whether it's illumination for a machine vision system or illumination for your home lights or a headlamp on a car or a scooter, it's all illumination. But the reason I chose this niche for Odd Engineer as what I would be representing is because there's so many people who need it. And I've got really good at hacking simulations, which a lot of hardware startups need because they don't have all of the necessary information to build a good optical simulation. So I have to make a lot of guesses, and I've had to do that a lot over the years. So if you need something like this, or like this, come to me. We look forward to speaking to you soon.